Designed for quick and straightforward installation, the Emerson Flexim 731 offers hassle-free setup and rapid startup. Begin with securing the transmitter to the wall or determined location. Terminate the included SENSPROM chip into the highlighted terminals and connect the included flow transducers to the highlighted terminals. All sensor identification and calibration information will be automatically recognized once energized. Use the included conduit fittings to connect power and energize the equipment. Begin the programming process by inputting the piping parameters for the application. Fast, simple selection of measurement units in a pre-programmed menu allows for customization of the flow rate display information and output units. Select the number of sound paths. 2 sound paths is the most widely used choice for typical applications in the market. Secure the necessary robust sensor hardware to the pipe with the included quick and straightforward mounting hardware and steel band kit. Use the included Viton solid coupling pads. Measure the distance between the transducers, matching the separation provided by the meter transmitter. Complete the meter installation by closing and securing all parts of the transducer mounting hardware and confirming the transducer separation distance on the meter transmitter. The flow meter equipment is now operational. Install quickly and easily. Start reading immediately. Advanced user features can include configuration of the included data logger, easy setup and connection of an analog or digital output, and connecting a laptop with the included USB cable to download the configuration and stored flow data using the FluxDiag software. Congratulations on your installation of the Ultrasonic flow meter. Progress never stands still. Save time, save costs. Clamp on.